What are you doing with that little girl behind the bush?
That's all her, man.
The creature collector. Oh, it's been around for over 100 years, snatching the universe's most dangerous beasts and bringing them here to our planet.
Who is in control of the machine?
No one knows. But that
This is
tyrant
Avatar.
in our village was its emissary, Commander Spawn. He has been protecting Ephemeris for years.
Wait, is that a snail?
Now that you're here,
No.
Whoa!
It looks like Snell Turtle.
Just trying to find my way.
Snail turtle.
But you're right.
Damn, what a curse.
You saved the whole universe. You're not supposed to.
It's Hero Sonic.
She doesn't have a nose.
Why doesn't she just do it herself? She's strong enough.
Listen,
How do we know that?
I'd
She
love to
fucking
help
kicked
you
ass
anywhere.
over there. She got captured and she's just like got out by herself. She, didn't
She
need
was
our help.
stomping on that thing.
As soon as
Dude,
we're
she
off the
stomped it
planet,
to
notify
death.
the fence.
Right? She didn't have weapons. We had guns and we barely managed that.
not my daughter.
Man, she's floating around, alright? We're jumping over fucking rocks and shit, just floating.
Many other children here. She is an orphan.
All right.
Look at your eyebrows, son.
Where do we find
Are they
this
gonna
man?
fall off? They're so fake.
Yeah. Well, I am Ratchet.
Yeah, I'm not so big
From
on the whole
Clank.
haunted forest thing.
Oh, look at your fucking arms.
I just thought you'd want to raise your approval rating.
Too big
by
for
saying
you.
Look at that
1,000
shit.
voters.
His
I
fingers.
guess parades and groupies just aren't everyone's thing.
Wait a minute. Both of those are my things. Wait up.
Wait for me.
Oh, jeez. What the fuck is that?
Staring at him.
Burn him up.
According to this satellite feed, there's a large shorting.
Oh, me again?
I got a large shorty for you.
Well, we gotta get new
In
guns.
the mood for extreme destruction? Try the Warmonger, a Terraclan rocket launcher with only one setting. Vaporize.
To kill.
For added carnage, use multiple Warmongers on the
Are we gonna
same
shoot the
target.
ashes right now? Looks like he's down, you guys.
Looks like my type of gun.
And blow the pieces to pieces.
Looks like a super soaker.
Dang it.
Looks like the Warmonger's available.
Fuck.
That whip is useless now. I don't even use it.
Still can't even
Careful
buy
with
the
that
loot.
Warmonger, rookie.
No.
She packs a wallop. Booyah!
Is everybody wearing getting the Warmonger?
Yeah, I am. I already got it.
Josh, what are you getting?
I want to get elite.
How much more? Oh, you got. We're pretty close. You're
We're almost there, actually. How much you got? 23?
If you didn't keep on getting second, maybe it would be there. But I guess
Maybe someone's not hoarding
People
all
kept
the
throwing me
bolts.
off the edge.
that's your fault.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I'm saving my money. Or bolts, whatever.
Save them bolts.
Look.
For a pretty lady that you don't know.
What is that?
Wait, let me use my new gun on it. Where is it? Where is it?
Ammunition acquired.
Alright.
Hell yeah.
Ammo. Stuff to kill stuff with.
Good enough. There we go.
I knew this would happen. That's why I got this gun.
You knew automatically it would be dead grubs.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Engaging target. This one's fine.
See all that green? It means I killed everything.
I got some.
You need to do all the damage.
Oh, I don't like the look of
Yep.
this place. Reminds me of Florida. Trees.
How did you
rocks,
get it? I smashed it.
You missed it just by a little bit.
Really?
I've done that before too.
How does it feel when my blaster starts clicking?
Damn it. It doesn't
Oh.
have any ammo.
It's OP, but it doesn't carry that much ammo. Kind of like any other grenade launcher, I mean, rocket launcher and any other game.
The Magnus Grove Beetle has an armored shell not unlike the sword-dwelling racer.
Where's your thing now, Joe? You should have been
Ah.
using it.
Forward to search for and attack its unprotected underbelly.
I'll show you my underprotected underbelly.
Let's
do this.
Where's Josh?
My unprotected. Oh, you bastards! I don't care.
What the fuck are you doing? Are you guys crazy?
He wants revenge. What are you gonna do? I'll give you that.
Oh fuck!
Captain,
I'm dying!
need more cardio.
No, die.
How did you die?
I hate
Alright.
people so much. So damn much. So goddamn much. Oh no!
Fist taste. This we think.
I don't know who did that.
Oh, Clank.
That was about to hurt my feelings. I thought he was talking about me.
All systems
Wow,
are
self-conscious much.
Yes.
Don't let that thing charge you, rookie.
What? Oh, it's a branch. Fucking camera angle. Oh, dodge that like a trap. That's it.
Oh fuck!
Dude.
A giant ball of power.
My shame! My shame!
Did you just die?
Yes, I did.
Oh.
It cut before I could save myself.
What is this shit?
I got one. Careful, rookies. That robot uses some sort of munition-resistant shield.
It's not gonna hurt me at all.
Here. I'll throw a... Oh, fuck. Oh, look at me.
Should have learned that my crouching kitten style.
What? I absorbed all that fucking damage and you guys take all the fucking gold? I don't like that.
I don't even know what happened.
I don't like that at all. Is that guns?
Yeah,
The database refers to that gadget as a
What the hell is this?
quick camera.
Prospectors use them to mine for treasure.
Oh.
A mega quake.
Hey, remember these in the demo? They're just like, yeah.
No, I don't.
No, I don't even know what demo is.
Step it up, guys. This fallback is taking home all the points.
We just purchased this game out of...
He keeps saying that, but he fucks up every time.
Oh, wow.
Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck it. I just linked to you.
Oh, no.
Is this another one, or did he flee, or what? Shoot it. Or whatever. There you go.
I got ammo.
Look.
Yeah,
Wait.
Yeah, I want some too.
This will
I'm
come in
ready.
handy. Get ready.
I'm ready.
I'm
Whoa.
ready.
Oh!
Vulnerable. Fire.
Get on this shit.
I am
Okay.
ready.
Let's roll.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta go fast.
Gotta go first.
That's it. Oh, man.
Wow.
I like being like Sonic.
There is nanotech over here.
Sonic.
Nanotech. That's the stuff.
He's an alcoholic.
I got ×2, whatever that means.
We make an excellent team.
Nope.
Oh, checkpoint. I was like, what are these things on the ground?
Really?
What do they mean?
This long?
I got my boombox.
Alright, what do we got now?
But a boombox is not a toy.
Oh. Oh. I got a decoy. I'm dead. No. Okay. Here we go. There you go. Got the decoy going. I'm dead. Pick me up.
Where are you?
I'm right there.
Little help here,
Oh!
I'm out.
Boom, 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 boom.
Ow, 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 ow.
I believe I require an
Whoa! One more. One more.
Free money. The politician's favorite word. Fair enough, little woodland
Picked up a little purple dude. Just chilling.
Hop in.
Stop sending Joe first. That's how he gets all the fucking loot.
Uh-oh. I am out of ammo.
I'm out of ammo.
I got him. I got him. There you go.
Oh.
I'm over here.
I could use some
Here we
assistance.
go.
Some assistance I could use?
Help him lock onto you.
Appreciate the assistance.
Get it. Hit him in the back. Yeah. Teamwork right there. I'll tell you what.
Oh dear. I believe I require ammunition.
Oh, where's the next shop?
Now that was good.
You have enough now?
Yeah. I want to be elite.
I don't even know how many points I got.
Unlock the future. Oh, fuck. I'm squinting my eyes as much as I can. There's something over there. Come on, let's go. You think you could break that?
Nah, probably not.
Okay, let's move on.
Maybe this one.
Wait. X marks the spot. And you're hitting nothing.
Oh. Pump with sticks.
Words?
Who won?
Okay.
Yes, that's what I like to see. I don't like that. Yes, I like that a lot. Mmm.
You're cheaters.
Yes, winner again. Killing spree.
Fewest co-op matches performed.
Awesome. I like that
Loner.
one. I like that one.
Oh, noob most death.
I got fucking loner, lone wolf. I don't need nobody's help.
We have a lead
Alright, let's go,
on
guys.
the railway station. Our scanners picked up some collector activity in an old far-pod mining camp directly beneath your position. The minions must be moving in
I'm
and
just
out
kidding.
via the rails.
Oh god, don't leave me.
Find the cap.
I just sucked you in.
Be able to find
Oh! Why'd you do that? Why? I sucked you in and I blew you.
Hey, what the fuck?
And you leave me hanging dry?
Oh god. Oh my
And
god.
it keeps going.
What the hell's wrong with you people?
mining camp directly beneath
Why do you do that?
the minions must be
I'm a horrible aim. Don't trust me, alright?
If you can find the cap, you should be able to find the station.
Oh, here we go. What's wrong with you guys? Seriously. Damn, he just took all that loot. Why would you do that? You're so greedy.
Totally selfish it was.
I'm just kidding.
I don't regret it.
Where you guys going? Just jumping around like
Look at me go crazy over there.
Oh.
crazy mans?
It has an X for you. Yeah, I think you need to jump on it.
Nah, just gotta walk away. See ya, guys. I got loner last time. I'm gonna go for that again. Oh! Alright, let's go.
Oh, now you need my help. Look at you. Look at you jumping up
We
and
don't
down.
need you at all.
Look at you jumping up and down like a little bitch.
What the fuck? Wait. Okay.
So much jackhammer.
Damn it, Danny. It's all your fault. We're jackhammering too long.
Ratchet, those explosives are dangerous.
More like 2 seconds. Get the thing. Get the explosives and throw at it.
Oh.
Where is it? Shoot! Shoot it! Over here!
Take that.
Oh! Shoot it! You... What the hell? You can suck in the air. I don't know.
How do I change my gun back?
This one's mine.
R1 as you're in the, you know.
Nice. More ammo. Ammunition acquired.
What was the point? Oh yeah.
Oh shit. What is everyone?
You have to be drilling in a certain spot, or else it won't work at all.
Hey, we missed that shit. Can we go back? Yeah, I'll throw you.
No, I can't.
Oh yes, we can. Yeah. Wait, I want mine too. Yeah. Way to go, Danny. Oh man, it's nothing, you know. It's just you know.
Get ready, Ratchet.
You're gonna get hit. You're gonna get hit.
Holy shit, do it again, do it again. I want to do this again. Pick me up. Pick me up.
Let's
Throw me?
do this.
No, not. Huh. Throw me. When you're in the air, if you press square, you do like a super mega death drop.
Yes, yes. I think that's for team.
Hurry up!
There's something right here. There's an X.
No, there's not.
There's right there. How do you not see it?
Oh. Alright, hold on.
Or maybe it's an X of a different kind.
It's just where the fucking things are dropping. Hit it.
Oh, you know what? We gotta. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
you have to hit it so it'll drop.
Get another one. We come back here.
Ammo. Stuff to kill stuff with.
Alright, drill it. Or hit that door.
What the?
No, hit that door right there. Shoot it. Shoot that gate above.
Where?
You
No,
see?
there's another little X for Danny to hit.
No, you're misunderstanding. Right to the far right up here.
Okay. Why don't I just pick
Shoot
you
that
up and
door.
throw you?
No, shoot the. You have to break the door. I think this goes behind.
No, look, see the little X? Daniel's hit the other little X right
Yeah,
there.
I know, but there's something on the right.
Just hit the fucking little X.
I can't reach
You
it.
see this target thing going over
Yes.
here? There's something there,
How
Joe.
about I pick you up?
And we want that. Okay, fine. I'm
There.
there.
Okay.
Where?
Oh.
Sorry, I did not understand.
So we got a bunch of shit. All right, let's go. Boom.
Another one of those blast
We should
balls.
start saying that from now on.
No.
I like it. Boom.
No.
The Mighty Boosh.
Yeah, that and also what's that show called? I'm with the big white guy and then the Adult Swim. Remember? He looks like a demon thing.
What?
Who has a son that talks like,
I'll just borrow this.
come on! What's
Or
Frisky Dingo? There you go. You guys remember Frisky Dingo?
No.
The fucking robot guys? Boosh! Boosh! Boosh!
Don't hit Ratchet.
Oh man, that show was great.
oh, toss me that thing.
No.
Alright,
All right, pal. Fire when ready.
What the fuck?
you got him on.
Throw it.
Take that, nature.
Woo! Let's go.
Yes.
I still got it. Now what?
Nanotech. That's the stuff.
I blew up.
Hang on, guys.
Oh! I'm dead.
We'll be fine. Oh shit.
Another one. I can't get over it.
I'm in trouble.
Fuck this. I'm leaving. Fuck this. I'm going the other way. I'm coming. Yeah! Well done, mother. Wait.
Wait, you need to do
Yeah,
something.
now we need it.
I got it.
Wait a minute. Oh, yeah! Nope. And I survived for once.
No wonder you don't have that super soaker yet.
Which one? What the fuck are you talking about? Rocket launcher?
No, I'm talking to Josh.
Oh. Shoot it!
Let's super soaker.
You're
Oh,
done.
fuck.
Oh, wait.
These guys are brutal. Perhaps I should acquire some mana.
Someone need to suck me.
This one's mine.
No thanks.
Pain! My Achilles heel.
I could use
What is
some
this?
assistance.
What? What?
Yeah, Nazi.
What the fuck? God damn it.
You should have helped me.
Now that was good teamwork. It's too far to jump.
So you jump?
No, I fell off the fucking cliff.
You know, you said it with like a sarcastic tone, and now I'm not sure.
Throw it. Oh yeah, down. What the hell? These
Have
things.
you ever seen a force field this awesome?
Alright, I got a force field up. Alright, get him.
Alright.
Use it being where that blaster starts clicking.
Ratchet and Yank.
Oh, I shot the screen. No.
Achilles heel.
Oh!
No!
Well, there was a goner.
Spider-Man!
What?
Spider-Man.
Oh my god.
Done with the movie.
I was thinking of some sort of like Tarantula Man. I guess Spider-Man works.
Look at that boss fight in the
No,
background.
that's just scenery. Fuck! What the hell?
I can't let go.
You have to let go, Josh.
They really won't let me
You
let
have
go.
to let go at some point.
I'm trying.
Wait,
Wait, one more swing?
No, the thing is right
Let go,
there.
Danny! Let go!
What the fuck? It's right here. What the fuck is this guy afraid of? Oh my
That's
god!
what I'm afraid of.
Run!
This bubble will save me. Never mind. It's not coming.
Whoa! Mushrooms?
Too sanic for you.
What? Yeah.
Oh, I messed up.
What? No. It's splash water death times 10.
Go across.
Pass me the ball, Copes.
No, man.
Oh. Fuck.
Man, you're so ratchet.
Oh shit.
Ready?
Take that, nature.
Wow. Nice throw.
Good enough.
I did it by myself. Coping.
Now for something truly awesome. I got ammo.
Urban Dictionary, the definition for Kobe means throwing trash into throwing the trash into the basket
Look at
Wait,
and,
there's this,
and expecting to land it or something like that.
Finally.
Yeah, what the fuck? Waiting on him?
He's pulling a Gandalf from the background.
Yeah. No. Too soon, Joe. Too soon. Ah! He's looking at me. Kill it. Yeah. I guess Josh Jell will work then. Fuck.
yep, just like Gandalf. Did all the work.
Oh, he's embracing that.
Do you remember? Do you remember at Helm's Deep when all those guys died for fucking nothing because Gandalf had to fucking fix everything anyways?
Damn it, Gandalf. Why don't you just fuck off, Dolph? Fuck Dolph.
Let me guess. I won again. Oh shit! This doesn't look good. Oh no! This doesn't. Wait. Oh no! I don't like this.
Ooh.
Oh.
You bitch.
What did I get? Gorgas. Good, best looking.
Yeah, you got Gorgas. Oh man.
Gorgios.
Man, you're so gorgeous.
Gorgios.